Whether you are new to trekking or looking for an unforgettable adventure, these trails offer stunning views and enriching cultural experience. In this video, I am talking about the top 5 treks in Nepal which are perfect for beginners. Let's dive in. Number 1. Pikey Peak Trek. Located in the lower Everest region, the Pikey Peak Trek can be completed in about 5 to 7 days, making it perfect for beginners. The Pikey Peak Trek is known for its panoramic views of 8,000 meters mountain from Dhaulagiri to Kanchenjunga. Pikey Peak summit is a viewpoint which provides 7 8,000 meter mountains. For your information, there are 14 8,000 meter mountains in the world, and 8 are in Nepal, and from Pikey Peak summit you can see 7 of them. As you hike through the rhododendron forest and Sherpa villages, you will be rewarded with breathtaking sunrise views from Pikey Peak. The moderate altitude and well-marked trails make it a great introduction to trekking in Nepal. Number 2. Mardi Himal Trek. Located in the Annapurna region, the Mardi Himal Treks offer a less crowded and serene experience. This trek typically takes 5 to 7 days and reaches a maximum altitude of 3,550 meters for an overnight stay, making it manageable for beginners. Trekking through a beautiful forest, traditional villages, and high alpine landscapes with stunning views of Mardi Himal, Machhapuchhre, and Annapurna South are the major highlights of the trek. And the trail is well maintained and provides perfect blend of adventure and tranquility. Number 3. Annapurna Base Camp Trek. One of the most popular treks in Nepal, the Annapurna Base Camp Trek, also known as ABC Trek, can be completed in 5 to 6 days from Pokhara to Pokhara without the Poon Hill section. ABC Trek is suitable for beginners due to its gradual ascent and well-established path. You will experience diverse landscape from terraced fields to dense bamboo forest and the majestic Annapurna Sanctuary. Reaching the base camp surrounded by the towering peaks is an achievement that offers unparalleled satisfaction and incredible views. Number 4. Langtang Valley Trek. The Langtang Valley Trek, often called Valley of Glaciers, which is a beautiful trek that takes about a week. It is a fantastic option for beginners, offering a stunning landscape and the rich Tamang culture without the crowds of more popular trails. The trek takes you through the green forest, pristine rivers, and up to high alpine meadows with spectacular views of Langtang mountain range. The welcoming local communities and relatively low altitude make this trek a memorable and manageable adventure for all the beginners. Number 5. Everest View Trek. For those wanting to taste of the Everest region without the strenuous effort, the Everest View Trek is ideal. This 5 to 7 days trek takes you to the famous Everest View Hotel and provides stunning views of Everest, Lhotse, and Amadablang along the way. Starting from Lukla Flight, you will pass through the picturesque Sherpa villages, forest, and suspension bridges, all while enjoying the breathtaking Himalayan scenery. This trek offers a glimpse of Everest grandeur, making it perfect for beginners. These 5 treks offer a perfect blend of adventure, natural beauty, and cultural immersions, making them ideal for beginners. Whether you are trekking to Pikey Peak, exploring Mardi Himal, reaching Annapurna Base Camp, venturing through a Langtang Valley, or Everest View Trek, you are in for an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trekking guides and adventure content. See you in the trails.